Hello friend, welcome back to Information Technology, lesson number 2, lecture 3, Introduction to SEO. In this lectures you are going to learn about optimizations of website. So let's begin. Optimizing website. Website optimizations is the process of using controlled experimentations to improve a website's ability to drive business goals. To improve the performance of their website, websites owners implements to experiments with the variations on pages of their website to determine which changes will ultimately result in more conversions. For example, demo request, increasing in organic search result, more purchase, reduce customer service time, etc. There are various sections of website which can be optimized for better SEO. Some of the ways to optimize the web page for SEOs are SEO page structures optimizations, then SEO of keywords, SEO social bookmarking, SEO social media optimizations, SEO backlinks. Other factor for SEO that are speed of the website, mobile friendly, and creating robots.txt. The last lectures we have seen the first optimizing way, that is SEO page structure optimizations, and in these lectures we are going to continue with the SEO of keyword. SEO of keyword. The SEO of keywords are the important words and phrases related to the developed website content. A list of keywords need to be carefully chosen to optimize the search. The keyword research and analyze is an important part of the search engine optimization as well as the search engine marketing. For search engine marketing, one can pay for certain keywords. What are SEO keywords? The SEO keywords are the keyword and the phrase in your web content that make it possible for people to find your site via search engine. A website that is well optimized for search engine speaks the same language as it is potential visitors base with the keywords for SEO that help content searches to your site. The keywords are one of the main elements of SEO. In other words, you need to know how people are looking for the product, services or information that you offer in order to make it easy for them to find you. Otherwise, they will land on one of many other pages in Google results. Implementing keywords SEO will help your site ranking above your competitor. This is why developing a list of keywords is one of the first and most important steps in any search engine optimizations. The keywords and SEO are directly connected when it comes to running a winning search marketing campaign, because keywords are foundational for all your other search engine optimizations effort. It's well worth the time and investment to ensure your SEO keywords are highly relevant to your audience and effectively organizations for actions. So you can find your best keyword for SEO. Finding best keyword for SEO is a good, because if you found some good phrases for your keyword will come while searching the website in front of the others. Only doing SEO keyword research once, not bothering to update and expand their SEO keyword list, or targeting keywords that are too popular, meaning they are way too competitive. Basically, SEO keywords research should be an ongoing and ever evolving part of your job as a marketer. Old keywords are there, need to be reevaluated periodically, and high volume competitive keywords or head keywords as opposite to long tail keywords can often be used for replace or augment with the longer, more specific phrase designed not to bring in just any visitor but exactly the right visitor. Right visitor means who visit your site, particularly if they are people who are actively looking for your services, is at least as important as how many people visit. So finding a best keyword, there is free keyword tool, the name WordStreams. The WordStream is a free SEO keyword search research tool that help you to find the best keyword for your website, most relevant keyword that will drive ongoing web traffic and conversions on your site. Benefit of using WordStream keywords tools, it includes the free keyword tools for better SEO include. So this is the most powerful free keyword tool WordStream, which will help you to search the best keyword for your website. Next is SEO social bookmarking. The social bookmarking is a powerful tool in promoting a website. It is very useful for off-page SEO optimizations. There are over 1.74 billion websites on the internet. If you want to your business found online, you must use every tool available. The first step is to improve your search engine optimizations. That's because better SEO equals a higher rank on result pages. When your company appears at the top of search results, it is easy for customer to find it, to consumer to find it. The proper social bookmarking on a regular schedules on help your SEO. But what is social bookmarking and how does it improve search result? Social bookmarking is a bookmarking a web page on your browser to read later, but it is so much more than marking your place. They let web user keep track of your content. The social bookmark tells search engine algorithm that your content is valuable. They increase your authority and credibility. That improves your ranking on keywords related to your business. So read on the learn why social bookmark should be part of your marketing strategy. If you ever seen a link of a website to a friend, relative or colleagues, you use social bookmarking. Social media is a great method for social bookmarking. For example, Twitter and Pinterest are the most popular for this. Social bookmarks save informations online, not on your device. That means you can access it any time and anywhere with on internet connections. There are specific tools, they are web based. People use them to search, gather and organic content that interests them. Some of the social bookmark benefits are social bookmarking is an effective way to build your online presence. When you add social bookmark to the web, it helps search engines understand your site. SEO social media optimizations. It deals with enhancing the website's ranking using interactive communities like Facebook, Twitter, blogs, forum, and so on. When these communities have linked to the created website, it builds familiar and trust about the website. You have seen many websites like this which already given the link to the Facebook, Twitter, blogs, forum, and so on. When you open any website, you will find below this type of sign to directly connect it to the Facebook, Twitter, blog, and forum. So the people trust on this type of websites, and the websites builds familiarity and trust about the website because it has a strong connectivity with the social media. Next is SEO backlinks. The backlinks are links on one website that when click take the user to another site. As we have learned when we start SEO, search engine optimizations, white hat optimizations and black hat optimizations, in that I already explained you. Some websites are like that, when you click on the particular text link, they take you to the other website. So backlinks are especially valuable for the SEO because they contribute to the overall strength and value of the content. They also represent vote of confidence from one site to another. In short, backlink to your website are signal to search engine that others are interested to know about the content from your websites. Some of the other factors of search engine optimizations is the speed of the website. If you created your website and you publish the website on the web, while creating website, attention is given on the design, content, as many visual as possible. However, all but this can slow down the website and obstruct usability. So here, if your website speed is slow, then your website will not come to the rank. So we have to take care of the website. When we publish, we must focus on the speed of the website. So if anyone search the website, he should get that website and the website should work fast. Next, mobile friendly. Your website should be mobile friendly. Mobile friendly means what? The website mobile friendly has become a ranking factor for Google. Hence, it is very important to ensure that the created website is mobile friendly for maximum exposure and to improve the website ranking. Do you know in Google Chrome you can check if your site is mobile friendly by right clicking anywhere on the page and clicking inspect options. There is an icon on the left of elements called toggle device toolbar, which change the page to mobile mode when clicked. Once you click inspect options, that website should change in the mobile mode, and if it is changed in the mobile mode, means it become a mobile friendly. So this type of things we must take into the considers while publishing the website, so your website can come to the top ranker by finding the website by putting some phrase keyword, and your website should have a speed, and that should be a mobile friendly. Let's see the next. Creating robot txt file. This file tells search engine which page you want to exclude from indexing. For example, if you do not want to certain page or image being indexed, then you can restrict that page from being indexing. Indexing means what? When we publish a website, the Google search engines creating one index page. In that index page, this file tells search engine you want to exclude from indexing this type of page, so you can create a robot.txt, so you can avoid certain pages or images being indexed. You can restrict that pages from being indexed by using creating robots.txt. So my dear students, these are the way to optimize the web page for SEO. I hope you understood some of the way we can use to optimize our website before publish it. Thank you and have a nice day.